Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Skiptrace on Propwire. So this is going to become particularly useful in case you want to reach out directly to someone or basically better your chances at getting in contact with a homeowner or property owner. Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that once you've actually set your filters up, I've just selected a dummy account here with some preset filters. Let's go ahead and select one of these listings. So we'll select this one here, and then we'll click on this icon here, and then you're going to click on Skip Trace. So what this is going to do is that it's actually going to go ahead and skip trace this property so that you can actually go ahead and have a better chance of contacting the property owner and really solidifying that deal or transaction to be made. If you join Propwire Gold, you'll actually get 2,500 free skip traces per month, but that is essentially how you run a skip trace. So I have other videos talking about what is a skip trace and how you should use them, so go check them out on my channel. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually go ahead and use a skip trace on Propwire, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.